Do you ever hear ringing or buzzing in your ears? You might be experiencing tinnitus, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Tinnitus can be triggered by exposure to loud noises, stress, or even certain medications. It's often described as a constant sound that only you can hear. While it can be bothersome, there are ways to manage it. Ambient sounds, like these, can help mask the ringing and create a more soothing environment. If you're looking for relief and tips, check out D3’s Tinnitus videos. They offer strategies and soundscapes designed to help you cope with tinnitus. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Explore D3’s channel for more insights and support.